styrofoam. Not very good insulation. So what I mean, it's pretty gross looking. Some of these boards in here are beautiful. It's old hardwood. Is the what? Now it's all cleaned up, and we can see that there's some definite benefits to this shed. One is we have electrical, so we already have a light and a outlet, and of course the floor is cement, which makes it very easy to power wash. And then removable top. Because cement is not a great spot for chickens to walk on, I needed to come up with a solution. So luckily I had some old rubber lying around, so I just pressure washed that. And then I had multiple pieces, so I put them on the floor, and then we'll cover it up with some shavings.